Why can't I receive messages on Instagram? Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you and figure out why you're not being able to receive messages on Instagram. So without any further delay, let us get started with today's video. If you're not being able to receive messages on Instagram, it could be due to various reasons. The first could be a poor internet connection. So if you're using Wi-Fi, you can try to switch to cellular data or vice versa and see if that helps you solve the problem. If that doesn't help, you might have disabled notifications for Instagram. So you open up Instagram and you just try to search for that person, see if you mute that person. Or go to your profile and tap the three lines option from the top right. Then from there, go to notifications and make sure that you've enabled notifications for messages, because you might have disabled this as well. The second could be that you might have turned on do not disturb mode or anything type of setting like that on your device. That could also be the case. Now, if you're still not receiving messages, then you want to just long press the Instagram app icon over here. Then tap on this I button that will take you to the app info tab. And from here, you can go to the option called storage usage and clear the cache files and clear the data. Now when you've done that, go to your Play Store or your App Store. In the search bar, search for Instagram. Check if the Instagram app has an update. And if it does, then make sure to update it to the latest version. So I hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.